First, we have gathered all the accessories. Assemble the lower straight track and lower support plate together. Snap the upper mounting plate and the upper straight track together. Make sure to align the lower end of the upper straight track. Then tighten the screws. Next, snap the front cover plate onto the curved track as well. Clip the front sliding track is onto the balancing rod. Snap the damper buffers onto both ends of the balance bar. Pay attention to the front sliding groove. The flat surface should face the side panel. Then install the upper pulley on top of the balance bar, and install the lower pulley on the other end. Measure the center point and insert the X-scissor assembly. Align with the center point of the cabinet and fix it with screws. Slide the scissor pulley into the back track. Leave a 4 cm space at the bottom for installing the damper. Take the lower guide track, assemble it together with the bottom support plate. Make sure the bottom is clean and free of obstructions. Keep it at the same level. Place the pre-installed curved track on top of the cabinet. Tighten the screws. Install the curved rollers inside the curved track. And install the balance bar onto the upper and lower tracks. If the height is not suitable, adjust the wheel spacing. This prevents the balance bar from sliding outward. Raise the bottom wheels by 5 mm. Then tighten the screws. Insert the aluminum base of the scissor arm into the balance bar slot. Align the bottom chute with scissor pulley and push it upward. Then push it upward. Push the damper up and lighten screws. Align with the bottom of the scissor's back track and tighten screws. Pull it open again and also tighten the screws. Next, push the upper damper upward. Pull the scissor arm outward and clip the gas strut and toe groove of the balance bar. Lift the gas strut upward by 5-10 to lock it in place. Ensure the gas strut is in a tightened, stretched position. The side hardware installation is now complete. Proceed to install the door panel. Keep the door panel gap at 3 mm. Next, insert the sealing strip from one end of the door panel. Both ends should be flush with the door panel. Then lock the middle screw holes on the hinge. Mount the door panel hinges. The door panels are now installed. Next, level the cabinet. Ensure that the upper and lower tracks are vertically aligned. The side of the cabinet must also be vertical. Place both door panels beside the track. Pull out the balance bar. Clip the hinge base on the Durinto, the balance bar slot. Then adjust the height of door panels. Leave a 3 mm gap at the top of the door panel. Use something to hold it in place. After adjusting the height properly, remove it. Align the top curved hinge with the slot position. Adjust the door panel height to match the first door panel. Then, tighten it. Adjust the door panel horizontally with the cabinet. Then adjust the height of door panels. Finally, install the door panel magnetic closer. The complete double door hardware installation is now finished.